Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of sound popping or crackling on your headphones while you connect it to the Windows. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the control panel. You can simply find it on the start menu, type control panel and open it. Now, select the small icons and go to this option of sound. Inside the sound, right click on the headphones that you are connected to and click on this option of properties, then go to advanced, and under here you see this option that says two channels. Just simply start and stop. Now once you do it, the option, if you're connected to a Bluetooth headphone, you'll find this option enabled for you. Now you need to do is just simply switch it from 48,000 hertz to 44,000 hertz and hit apply, then okay, and you'll notice your problem will definitely get solved. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.